everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep.
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
Try that one out.
Right. Lemony fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man. Hey, how you doing, everybody? Don here from Super Blast. Hey, what I'm doing right now is this going to be a new tool for me. This is duct tape. So we're going to put this back here in the toolbox because I had a really scary experience today, I must say. So we're going to put the duct tape in the box and we're going to go inside the office and we'll talk a little bit about it. Anyway, it's been raining all day down here. I did job 1 and job 2. When I got to job 3, the customer hadn't moved anything and didn't expect me to show up because the weather was nasty. But hell, when you're pressure washing this rain, and what the hell, you get wet anyway, right? So anyway, I went and did that quote, and I got that job. That'll be in the end of the video, so you can guess on how much I quoted and how much would you quote. That'd be a curious topic at the end of this. That's going to be great. But I learned a lesson today. I was doing mobile home number 2, and I got around an electrical outlet, and it had a GFI on it as well, so it should have tripped the breaker in the house, but it did not. I was rinsing off the windows and stuff on the porch, and then all of a sudden I heard crack, snapple, pop, some smoke, and then whew, it caught on fire. So I just kind of doused it and put it out, and it kept smoking, and I kept doing that for about 10 minutes trying to get the homeowner's attention. I didn't want it to catch back on flame again. Mobile home would go up like boom, nobody's business. But anyway, I was able to get the breaker shut off. I called my electrician. He instructed me on what to do: take it apart, take the wires, cut them, wire nut them, and then turn everything back on. But he's going to go out there and take care of that for me. But that's a lesson I've learned. You got to put duct tape on all the outlets. That's a contractor tip. And I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. So why don't you just go ahead and sit back and relax and enjoy the rainy weather and the day's events. Get after it. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Tell you what, it's going to be a rotten day today. Not money-wise, but weather-wise. It's going to be doing drizzling all day, so it shouldn't be that bad. Might have to put the rain gear on, but got a full schedule, so I can't cancel anything. Got to keep moving forward. So, like I tell you every day, get after it. All right, Don here, just rolled up on the first job. Gonna be getting this mold off all here, all up there along the top, all the awnings. Basically, this needs a good SH. Clean it all up. Just mold everywhere. This place will look new when we get done. You got to be careful around the windows. We'll be right back. Don from Super Blast. I got a first-time customer here. Ken, what do you think about Super Blast pressure washing?
Been awesome. We've done a real nice job.
There you have it. Proof's always in the pudding, right? Don from Super Blast. All right, let's have a look at this nice,
Yeah, it looks
beautiful job. It looks nice and white again. All the awnings are nice and clean. All that black's off the top. Look at that.
Yeah, that was really
Good job. You just have to go back over it when you're done with some straight stuff to get that black off of there.
Yeah.
But it just did wonders for this.
Oh yeah.
Job came out really nice. I mean, you can either look like this or you can look like that. What do you want?
That's real nice.
Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Sorry about the cutoff there. The batteries went dead in the camera. Anyway, it's going to be a good day today. That job took me 50 minutes. And these mobile homes, I charge $130 for the mobile home to get done. And it just takes very little time. You can make yourself a little bit over $130 an hour. And, you know, that's like being a lawyer or a doctor or something, I think, you know. With a garden hose, don't need to go to college for that. But you can take a course at the Mean Lean Academy over there with Mikey, Justin, Aaron, and Cody. If you really need to be instructed on how to work a hose, get after it. On here, job number 2. It is Mobile Home Tuesday here at Super Blast Pressure Washing. As you can see, we have slight mold up here. Most of your mold is going to be around the back. So we'll go around back and check it out. We got some on the green tinting. This is all green. This needs a good touching up. Over here, very green, very moldy. Storage containers are very moldy. Whole place is pretty dingy. Hasn't been done in a while. I would say a little bit over a year by the looks of the widespread mold, because it's on every side. You can see it up there. All right, well, we're going to get after it. Okay, I'm all done with the S8, so I'm taking it out. I'm going to go over the job here in just a second. Okay, so when I'm done with the SH, I take it out, and so you don't lose the cap. So many of us lose these damn caps. You got to get in the habit of putting it back on when you're done. Okay, let's just check it out. Job setup, okay? I came this way. And by the way, look at this. Okay, I haven't rinsed it yet. I just want to go over the job setup. When I got here, I located the water at the carport, so I parked accordingly. And then I came around here, and I started back here. Right here. Okay? And now I'm going to rinse my way back around. I finished right here. Okay? So the idea is to start there, finish here. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to rinse my way that way, all the way back around, and then when I'm done with the back, all I got to do is go around the corner, and then the hose reels will reel me right back in, and that's the easiest way to do this job. I'm done. That's a contractor tip. I just wanted to mention one thing. Colder weather, man, don't get discouraged when the mold's not coming off right away. Gotta let it marinate for a little while. It's been cold temps, so it's taking a little longer, but not that much longer. So your stuff works just fine. It's just the colder temps. Be patient and it'll go away. Get after it. Okay, let's have a look at the finish. Looks really good. Also learned a valuable lesson today. From here on out, when I have electrical outlets such as this, that thing was, as soon as I hit it, man, it started sizzling, then it started smoking, and then it caught on fire. Holy smokes. So I had water, so I put it out, and I had the customer shut the breaker off, of course. Then I called my good buddy Joe from Pasco Electric. Anyway, place came out really nice. Mold is gone. Another job well done. All right, lessons learned. Mold is clean. Time to get after the next one. It's Mobile Home Tuesday. Down here, I'm en route to job number 3. It is Mobile Home Tuesday. Then I have to go after that 5,000 square foot estimate that I was supposed to give the other day, and the guy never responded to my phone call. He had a family emergency and had to go down to St. Pete and take care of some stuff. Anyway, as they say, stuff happens, so I'll be going after that today as well, after we get done with this third mobile home of the day. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Get after it. Don here from Super Blast. Well, it started raining a little harder, and the homeowner at the third mobile had 2 million plants and didn't think I was going to show up today, so we're just going to go ahead and reschedule that one. Now we're off to do this 5,000 square foot home quote, and we'll see what that looks like when we get there. But we are en route, and I am getting after it. All right, here we are, lake in the woods. Some nice properties out here. This is what you like to call high-end jobs. Well, these are all big square foot houses. Let's see what we got coming up here. We'll go ahead and view the job once we get there. What the hell is this? Guy's got a pond going there with a waterfall. I never have seen water going in it. I do have a couple clients in here that I do work for. But anyway, we'll see you when we get to the job quote. All right, Don here. We're looking at this property right now. Sidewalks, driveways needs a good cleaning. This is the house. Fairly sized house. Let's take a walk around. I did get the job, by the way. I'm going to be cleaning all this landscape stuff. All that brick. This landscape stuff. Excuse me. All this stuff here. So we are going to use the, we're going to mix some Zeta mix on this property. Sorry about that. I got to keep wiping the lens off. Then we got some mean green over here. Okay. Then we got this really large pool cage to get done. Okay. This is one of the bigger pool cages. It's pretty messy. Come around here. And all the green screens. That's on there thick. I don't know if you can see that or not, can you? Well, you probably can. Trust me, it's thick. All this stuff. All that around there. It's pretty nasty. And then all the way down here. I mean, the good old SH is going to come out. And most of this is going to clean up pretty quickly. Shouldn't be bad. It's a nice size ticket. Okay, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave some comments. And how much would you bid this job for? Leave that in the comments. I'm Don. Get after it.